Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this DIY we are going to be working with two of these Dollar Tree rings. These rings are $1.25 each, and again you will need two for this particular DIY. Now Dollar Tree also has this set of rings, and I'm going to use this middle ring as well. Next up we have this plaque from Dollar Tree. This one says "This is us," and there's the skew. So what I want to do is go ahead and open this. So now I'll go ahead and remove the tabs from both plaques. Next I'll remove the wording. This is what it looks like now that I removed the top coating. We have our frames, and these are really good quality. I like the weight on these. We have our two rings, and then we have our smaller metal ring. So what I'm going to do now is take all of these pieces outside and spray paint them silver. Once I do that, I'll come back and move on to the next. Alright, for our shelves, we're going to decorate them both the same way. I didn't put paint on top of here because we are going to add mirror towel, and I didn't add so much on this side because we're going to add mirror towel as well. Now, when I add the mirror towel, I'm only going to add it on the front and the sides, not in the back. And I also added some paint right here on the corners with the paintbrush. I'm using the larger mirror towels, and I found these at Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to cut 2 rolls of the mirror towel, put it on the front and the sides. Let me measure. Now the mirror towel has adhesive on the back, but because of what I'm going to do with this, I need to make sure that the mirror towel never lifts from the wood. So I'm going to reinforce it with some of my Gorilla Glue. Next I have my smaller mirror towel, and I think this one is 10 milliliters, and I'm going to put it across the top. Both pieces exactly the same. Okay, now for our rings, we are going to put 1 row of bling all the way around on the outside and on the inside. Okay, so I'll do that on both pieces and then come back. Now, I have mirror towel on the inside of this one, but I ran out, so I'll be adding mirror towel to this one as well at a later date. So now I have my front and my back piece. Okay, this is my back piece. I'm going to take the sawtooth hook that I took from the wood pieces earlier, and I'm going to put it right inside here. So we have that. I'm going to put this aside for now. Now I'm going to do this to both trays. I've actually already did it to the first tray. Here's the bottom, and here's the top of the tray. Now, I have this towel decal for Dollar Tree as well. I'm going to put this on the top of this piece, and I'm going to center it. So I'll put it here, and then press down. Now I'm going to cut off the excess. Okay, and this is what we have. We have this piece exposed and this piece. So I'm going to flip this over and line these 2 points up. Now I'll flip it back over and cut off the excess. Okay, just like that. Do the same thing for this side. Okay, and now you have this. That took care of that problem, right? Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is take some more of my mirror towels. And these are the larger mirror towels. I'm going to take 2 sheets. I'm going to cut 2 rows off. Put it right in there. Let's cut 4 rows off. And now I'll slide this inside. Now I'll peel these off and put these on the back. And then I'm going to go around the inside and the outside with 1 row of this towel. Now I'll continue to go all the way around off camera. I'm going to do both pieces like this. Okay guys, so here's our back ring. There's the hook, so that's the top. Now because I have that piece on there, I had to level it out. I have like these little clear discs down here that I'm going to use to make this level. Very important that it's level. I know you've been curious as to what I'm about to do, so now you are about to see. Here's the back again. What I'm going to do is glue this right on here. And glue this right here. Now in order for me to get this straight, I need to use my level. So glue right here and right here. Next, I'll glue this right on top of here. Okay, so now I see exactly where it needs to go. I'm going to add some glue. Alright, so I have this board. I'm going to put this right on top. Now add some weight to it. And I'm going to let this dry overnight. Okay guys, so I let this sit up overnight, and this is what we have. Now off camera, I went ahead and added some of my larger mirror towels in the background. So now I'll do it on the front as well. Again, I'll be using the larger mirror towel. I'm just going to start right here at the top. It's easier to put them on one by one. Okay, just like that. And I'm going to continue this off camera and then come back. That's gorgeous. So now I'll take some of my UV resin and I'm going to go right on the outside and the inside just to secure it even more. Turn the light on. Instead of one ring, I went ahead and spray painted 2. So what I want to do now is add this right in the center just to give it a little bit more interest. I'm going to wipe away the excess. Now I'll flip this over and do the other side. I'm going to hang this on the wall and let you guys see what it looks like. As promised, here's my beverlyshly beautiful mirrored wall shelf. Honestly, this was a last minute DIY. I thought about this last night and then put it together throughout the night and then finished it today. I'm so in love with this piece. This is one of my new top 10 pieces. I don't know exactly where I'm going to hang it, but when I do and merchandise it again, I'll let you guys see it. I hope you all love this DIY as much as I do. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.